Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today, we are talking interest rates. Being in real estate, interest rates are always on the forefront of so many conversations. And right now, we are hearing a lot of discussions about, oh no, interest rates are rising, right? Well, in all of these conversations, I did some research and I got some awesome information for you that I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to take with you today and have better conversations with your clients to help them understand where we really are. So check this out. Back in 1981, that was the highest point on record for interest rates. Guess what it is? 15, 16, 17%? Oh no. 18.63%. Can you believe that? A standard 30-year mortgage, interest rates were over 18%, okay? Now, throughout the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, obviously there's been huge fluctuations in the interest rates, right? So I'm just gonna tell you the low points for each decade to help you understand or help put it in perspective where we're at today. So depending on when you're looking at this, we're in the low fours, okay? So think of it, let's just call out a number, 4.3, okay? 4.3%, 4.35%, somewhere around there, okay? So the lowest point in the 1970s, 7.23%. So almost double, okay? The lowest point in the 80s, 9.03%, more than double where we're at right now. In the 90s, you're getting better, 6.49%. Okay? In the 2000s, between 2000 and 2009, you're looking at 4.71%. You're still higher than where we're at today. In the 2010s, we finally had our lowest point, which was where we witnessed in the threes and whatnot, right, for a standard 30-year mortgage. Right now, it sounds like a lot because we witnessed historic lows within the last decade. I mean, historic lows. We are even right now lower than the lowest rate from the early 2000s, which that rate whoops the last 30 years prior. All right? Hopefully this helps you communicate with your clients that we are in a fantastic time. Just thank God we're not in the 80s anymore, right? Have a great day. Talk to you in a bit. Good morning, everybody. Josh, why is my paper so bright? It's kind of killing me. Where it's at, but right now we're at about 4.35 and there's a helicopter.